Good morning, everybody. Marion the Barbarian here. We got a great shave for you today. I know I've used this soap, but we haven't used the razor before, so that's going to be new. But we're using Aqua de Boracay from A&E. This is in their K2E. Great soap. I'm going to put up the base ingredients. The E is for emu oil. All sorts of butters and fats that are good for your skin and stuff in there. And then we're going to put up the scent notes. And this scent, guys, man, sweet, coconutty, type aquatic. It's not like strong coconut, but the sweetness comes from this coconut note that Peter likes to use. I think it's got the same coconut note that the Mafioso's Retreat has. But we whipped this up nicely, guys, in the bowl. Thing I like about Peter soaps, he's one of the only ones that you can do it. You can have a lot of water in your brush, go to the bowl, and just splay, and by the time you're done picking up all the soap, it's creamy, and then you can add some more water. And you don't see all these like air bubbles. See? Look, where's the air bubbles, guys? You don't really see it. Like right there, that's where the hair's coming through, but no air bubbles. Really nice, guys. Really nice. Easy to bowl lather, easy to face lather. Love it. So this is the titanium Merica Razor from Yates Precision. James let me borrow it. We're gonna take it apart. I looked at the price on this. It's not bad. It's $190 for a titanium razor. And you know, if you're under $200 for titanium, that's pretty good. We'll see if I like this one. I think this is the one people says kind of gives you that suction feeling. They say that about the Henson, and I don't get that suction feeling from the Henson. So, all right, let's see how it goes. Oh, just if you're wondering, we use the Wilkinson Sword Saloon pack because they work for me and they were sitting out. The only other blade sitting out is this one. It's because I don't know what to do with it. Got to do something with it. Problem area. I mean, did well. After the long strokes, I decided with the way this razor works, it's better for short strokes for me. Not necessarily this razor thing as much as a growth thing, like 2 days worth. It's morning time. Did I say it was morning? I like getting to use different razors. It's nice. I think it could be a little hydrated because it's not rinsing as well as I'd like it to. So as great as that lather looked, it could have used, look at that. Could have used a little bit more water. So I think I did nick here. But I'm telling you, man, like right there is just a problem area for me lately. Like it's like there's a bigger bump there or something than usual. Like skin just doesn't want to sit flat. Wow, that's so nice. Look how creamy that is, guys. Still gonna add some water. Because like I said, just wasn't rinsing as well as before. So we're gonna paint in some more water. Lather going everywhere. A little bit thinner, especially on the neck. That's where it's important. Because that's where I nick, and that's where I want the most slickness, most glide, most ease. Look at this, guys. There's a big bloop. Big blue. Sorry, we do have sniffles this morning. A little bit of cough, you know. I wake up and I kind of go through that. Part of being a smoker. It's not the most efficient razor. I'm sure if I put a different blade in there, I could get a little bit more efficiency. But buffing's the way to go. It's a great little razor. I like it. Shaves a little like the Henson or the TRC razor, really. Feels like it weighs more than the Henson. A little closer to the TRC razor in weight, but the handle still feels a little more. As it should. The handle on the TRC is all aluminum and then has some stainless steel at the top of the head. Man, that rinsed better. Oh, I need to clean my blinds. I was just looking over and there's dust on the top section. There we go. Make sure we get it clean there. It's nice. I like it. Scent, guys. I recommend this, man. It's another reason I'm using it. It's the time of year to use it. Pick it up. It's a great scent. I'll link it in the description below. For those of you who don't know, down on the bottom you can hit more and see more and stuff in the title, and it'll show you description and links if you're interested. Not all links are always affiliate. I differentiate between them. If you do use an affiliate link, it does help out the channel. That's definitely the case. And the only reason I mention it is because sometimes in comments I have people go, hey, where can I find that? Well, if you click on that little see more down there, there's all sorts of links to everything. Oh, we didn't incorporate a piece of soap. Just rinse that down. I will tell you, I noticed the glug came back in my sink. The glug, 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 glug. We got that back. There we go. Excuse me. Did y'all see that slickness? Didn't even make contact. Peter makes a great soap, man. Like I said, guys, I gave a little flick of water, left most of it in the brush, and just started splaying and making sure I got all the soap picked up. And by the time all the soap was picked up, it was a creamy goo that still needed way more water added. But all right, guys, we're going to rinse up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. That was a great shave. You know what? I didn't alum it. We'll alum it to see if that'll help a little. Take some redness from where I nicked myself. There we go. Put it on. Make it look a little better, hopefully. Tell you what. That's a nice little razor. It's got the TI on it for titanium. I like it. I like it a lot. We did use the Razor Company brush. I can't remember, something Sunrise. They only made like one of this color, one of another color similar, and Matt Fox has another similar color. Really cool, really nice. This has the Owumo knot that I got real cheap, synthetic. Workhorse does what it needs to do. You saw the lather it made, it did really well. sometimes you don't need all those expensive knots. It's super soft, especially when it's wet and you're painting it on. Even when you're splaying, it feels great. So Aqua de Boracay, give it a good shake. We'll tell you that soap, man, it takes forever to get the slickness off your face when rinsing. It's not a bad thing, because like you got all that slickness, and I'm sure just all those butters and things are good for your skin, I'm sure. Man, that's great. I need to pick up like a coconut fragrance that's sweet and coconutty and kind of beachy. I don't have any of that in my collection, which is odd. But yeah, I think that's it, guys. This razor, I'll probably use it a couple more times, and I have the stainless steel version to use as well. It's not a bad razor. I think 190 is a great price point for titanium. But anyways, that's it. You made it this far. Consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, hit that noti bell, and we will catch you next shave.